guys, this is Friday. I learned day number 5. Okay, so today you got your spelling test, and you're gonna have this hamburger paragraph quiz. And if you haven't finished your hamburger paragraphs, you're gonna finish those. So I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna read this. Read you your hamburger paragraph quiz. On your spelling test, there's a video of Miss Richardson reading you guys the words. So you won't have a video of me reading. It'll be a video of her reading. But here we go. So make sure you get your hamburger paragraph quiz opened right here. If you don't know where it's at, it's I learned 5 hamburger paragraph 5 quiz. Now, when I go through reading these, I'm just going to go through and read like a normal pace, but you have a pause button somewhere over here, probably in the left side corner of your computer, and you pause that to go at your speed. It's impossible for me to read this and know how long it's taken each one of you. So I'm just going to read at a normal pace, and then you stop it as you need to. Put your name, and then we'll get started. How many sentences are in a hamburger paragraph? Is that 6, 10, 8, or 5? How many sentences are in a hamburger paragraph? Remember, you have your topic sentence, and then your reason support, and closing sentence. So how many sentences is that? Number 2, a hamburger paragraph starts with is that A, topic sentence, B, support, C, detail, or D, hook? Number 3, how many supports should be included with your topic? Is that 6, 3, 2, or 5? The next one, what should be included after each supporting detail? Is that conclusion, topic, example, or another detail? Next question, which is a good transition word to introduce your first support? Finally, also, in addition, or to begin? So the first support. Next one, what is a good transition word to use when giving an example? Lastly, first, for instance, or in summary? In the last part of this section of the quiz, a hamburger paragraph should end by A, giving another detail, B, using a transition word, or C, restating the topic, or D, introducing the new topic. Okay, so that should do it for those. I don't know how many questions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So those 7 questions should be finished, and then we're going to be on section 2. So this part I'm going to read this little paragraph to you, a hamburger paragraph, and then you're going to answer these 4 questions about it. The water cycle is important for our daily lives. The first stage is evaporation. Evaporation is when the sun heats up water on Earth and it changes it to vapor in the sky. The next stage is condensation. When water vapor forms clouds, it is known as condensation. The final stage of the water cycle is precipitation. Rain, snow, hail, and sleet are all forms of precipitation. Water travels in this cycle of evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. So, what is the topic of this paragraph? Evaporation, the water cycle, weather, or precipitation? If you don't know, go back to your topic sentence and it'll tell us. What are the 3 supporting details of this paragraph? Evaporation, condensation, and precipitation, sun, clouds, and rain, weather, water, and snow, or water cycle, weather, and precipitation. And then the last one. Which sentence gives an example for a supporting detail? A, the water cycle is important for our daily lives. B, rain, snow, and hail, and sleet are all forms of precipitation. C, the first stage is evaporation. D, the final stage of the water cycle is precipitation. Like I said, you have a pause button. You can go back and listen to this video. You can, if you need some reread. Other than that, you should be good for language arts today. You have your spelling test. You have the hamburger paragraph quiz, which is what you're doing right now. And then you have, if you haven't finished your hamburger paragraphs, then you have that. I know some of you are finished because we worked on them yesterday, but not everyone is. Okay. If you need anything today, let me know. Have a good day. See you on Monday.